In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make modern music player UI design in Figma. We'll start by grabbing a ready-made foundation. Then customize the look, assemble a polished player, and wire it up with smooth prototype transitions. Open Figma and head to the Community tab. In the search bar, type Music App UI Kit or Modern Music Player. The community is packed with free resources from designers, and many kits include multiple screens and reusable parts, which will speed up your workflow. Browse a few, check the previews, and pick one that feels close to your vision. Choose a template style that matches the vibe you want. Dark mode is great for immersive listening. Glass morphism gives that frosted, layered feel, and a minimalist layout keeps things clean and focused. Once you've decided, click Open in Figma to duplicate the file into your workspace so you can edit freely without changing the original. Next, customize the visuals. Go for a modern, high-contrast palette. Think a deep charcoal background with neon green or vibrant purple accents. Apply bold font weights to song titles so they command attention, and use lighter weights for artist names to create clear hierarchy. As you adjust colors and type, keep accessibility in mind so text remains legible against your backgrounds. Leverage the components included in the kit. Drag in pre-made search bars, playback controls, and playlist cards to keep spacing, icons, and styles consistent. Using component instances helps you update designs globally and maintain a cohesive look across screens. Design a compact now playing bar that sits at the bottom of the screen. Include a small album thumbnail, the current track title and artist, and simple play and skip controls. Position it on every browsing screen and set it to stay fixed while scrolling, so playback is always accessible. Create the song progress slider with a slim rectangle for the track and a small circle for the thumb. Align it with your player controls, and give the active portion a bright accent, so progress is easy to read at a glance. Switch to the Prototype tab and set interactions to Smart Animate for fluid, app-like motion between screens. Link the play button on your list or card view to the detailed player screen, and choose a gentle easing for a polished feel. Test the flow and refine timings until navigation feels natural. That's it. Thanks for watching.